Hello, welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Jahmiel will release the official video for his new single Unappreciated this Friday. Jahmiel is known for his conscious lyrics and tackles loyalty in his latest. He posted a snippet of the video on his Instagram page earlier today with the caption, 12 noon tomorrow. Jahmiel shared with ePrime that the single is produced by Dynasty Records and Patriots Music. Now he added, quote, "The inspiration simply came from me feeling unappreciated by people I've done good for. Plus, my music is where I release all my emotions of whatever I might be going through." End quote. Jahmiel recently released the album Legend, which was well received on the international scene. He has upcoming shows scheduled for St. Kitts and Nevis, Canada, Malawi, and Dominica.
When they met them change, that coulda never be me. Cause from me say you are my dog, man, coulda never switch we as theory. But gone are the days, and there was loyalty. Cause I know for them, they fear things if it gone, them gon' leave.
Dancehall artist Delamar is back on the scene with a new single, One Unity. The song was inspired by the dance, which was created by Patiskeng and Energy Kid, however is endorsed by the Get There Squad. It was produced by Wreck-It Ralph Music, Team Upgrade Productions. The song is geared towards getting all dancers to unite on the dance floor, which according to Delamar has never happened in history. One Unity is set to be released this Friday.
One Unity features a host of dancers. We have, and these dancers are actually DJing on the beat. I sing the chorus, One Unity, and then the dancers do the verse. We have the likes of Boys and Roses, Energy Kid, Patiskeng, Gabidan, Expensive, Shelly Belly, so these are all of the dancers that's featured on it, DJing, because I think that's another step that dancers are taking as well, that they're singing their own dancing songs. I myself wanted to contribute to highlighting the dancers then.
This a One Unity. All skankers do it, make me say. We ride as a dance either way. This a One Unity. Take the dance floor, make it lively.
Now on the international scene, after partnering with Gap in 2020, hip-hop artist Kanye West, now known as Ye, formally notified the clothing company that he will be terminating their partnership. Gap was required to sell 40% of the Yeezy Gap merchant stores during 2021, but failed to meet their contractual obligations, which led to Ye's decision. And he is ditching clothing for education. Kanye is working on setting up school campuses across the United States after opening Donda Prep Academy earlier this year and named it after his late mother. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.